SEEDS2OIL, standard cold press oil maker. We bring you a modern cold oil press at affordable price. Standard model has simplified controls. Motor is operated forward, off, reverse manually. Switch on the machine's power supply and select the seeds to be crushed. The machine is ready when the green LED light glows after warming. Now switch to reverse the motor for 3 to 5 seconds and forward it. Now put a handful of seeds in the machine. The machine is crushing the seeds into oil, and then fill the hopper with the available seeds. Once the hopper is empty, refill it again. Give 15 minutes rest to the machine after every 2 hours of usage to extend the life of wearing parts. And once the crushing is completed, reverse the motor for cleaning the screw and the chamber. When the crushing process is completed, remove this chamber with the help of this tool, rotating clockwise. Wearing the glove, slowly take off the screw chamber from the machine. After every use, remove the screw and the chamber for cleaning when it is still hot. If cooled, boil the screw and the chamber in water and then clean it. Use the brush for cleaning inside, especially the chamber neck. And when both the screw and chamber are clean, and fix them in the respective area like this by rotating anti-clockwise. Done. Your machine is ready for the next use.